The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler, December 23rd, Saint Dagobert II of Austrasia. Dagobert was still a child in the year 656 when he ascended the throne of Austrasia for a very brief period, since his tutor Grimoald, the unworthy son of blessed Pepin of Landen, expelled him and banished him to give the crown to his own son, Childebert. Dido, the bishop of Poitiers, took little Dagobert to Ireland. From Eddy, author of The Life of St. Wilfrid of York, we know that this saintly bishop befriended Dagobert, and thanks to the good offices and efforts of St. Wilfrid, when Childeric II was assassinated in France in 675, the young exiled monarch was able to return and regain his throne. During St. Wilfrid's journey to Rome to seek protection against St. Theodore of Canterbury and King Egfrid, he stopped at Metz and stayed at the court of King Dagobert, who strove in vain to reward the prelate's services by installing him in the vacant See of Strasbourg. On December 23, 679, King Dagobert died accidentally during a hunting party in the woods of Wévres in Lorraine, but that death was attributed to a premeditated murder, consummated treacherously by the dukes, with the complicity and consent of the bishops. He was buried in Stenay, a place close to the place of his death. As in other similar cases, for example that of St. Sigismund of Burgundy, the circumstances in which his death took place made Dagobert to be considered as a martyr, and from there it comes that he is worshipped as a saint.